factor tree.
Prime factorization, the method of finding the factors of a composite number as a product of prime numbers is called prime factorization. We can find the factors as a product of prime numbers by using the factor tree method. Factor tree method. Let us find the prime factorization of 18 by using the factor tree method. Step 1. Write 18 as the product of a pair of factors. This gives 18 as the product of a pair of factors. Step 2. Look for the composite factor and find all the prime factors. Here, 6 is the composite factor of 18. So, 6 is equal to 3 into 2. Again, circle the prime factors. Step 3. Write 18 as a product of all circled numbers. So, 18 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. Therefore, prime factorization of 18 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. Let us see another example. Prime factorization of 30 by factor tree method. Here, 10 is the composite factor of 30. 30 is equal to 10 into 3 and 10 is equal to 5 into 2. Therefore, prime factorization of 30 is equal to 3 into 5 into 2.
Let us recall. A prime number has exactly two different factors, that is, 1 and the number itself. A composite number has more than two factors. The method of finding the prime factors of a composite number is called prime factorization.